Workers' compensation claims, those are another remedy that's available, and workers' comp systems are what's called no-fault systems. You do not have to show your employer was at fault. You have to show that you were injured on the job and that you didn't intentionally injure yourself. So, workers' comp systems eliminate juries and they instead use administrative law judges. They apply the facts in the law and they make the determination if a person is eligible to get the claim. And then the workers' comp system itself tells them how much they get. The money portion is set out very similar just to how the asbestos trusts are. This injury class will get roughly this amount, and there's some things that go up and down. Now, a big thing that's different with workers' comp versus trust claims or lawsuits is that a family member cannot file a workers' comp claim for their own injuries. As we've talked about in our other videos, if you washed somebody's clothing who worked with asbestos, that could have exposed you to asbestos and you could get injured from that. If you were injured because your spouse brought asbestos home, you cannot file a workers' comp claim. That's not available. Some states will let you file a different type of lawsuit against the occupationally exposed workers' employers, but some don't. So that's a big difference, that if you have a secondary exposure, you can't file a workers' comp claim. And as we said, there's no requirement to prove negligence on the part of the employer. And just like with many other areas of law, there's 50 different sets of law for 50 different states. Some states qualify asbestos occupational diseases for compensation, some don't. Some workers' comp laws were passed in the 30s and 40s, pushed for by lobbying from the asbestos companies because those companies wanted protection from litigation. And as you might guess, states that passed workers' comp laws to protect the industry, they don't really favor injured workers, at least as for asbestos stuff. Other states pass their workers' comp laws having nothing to do with asbestos, and it's different. So it's a mixed bag. And if you have curiosity about the laws of your state, you can feel free to reach out to us, and we'll do our best to work with you to figure out if workers' comp is an option.